in the streets, in Kakuit.
The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry Temkatwe, but those of the participants. Okay.
Akafunda ukushutha.
Akafunda.
Shutha. Shutha phela sesikhona.
Yeah. Aman, Karafa. Inesithi ngokho project lakho ngo-2024 kodwa usisaba ke lana ngokuzayo. Sisoma njani kalokho bani? Wenza ngazi kamera phela kubona. Ubani kamera? Uzosupport abantu la today.
Ukukarabora cheku.
Wengane yakho? Washo ihoteli zona. Wena mama uzoza ngapho mama.
Okay.
Ngiyala nisebathi guys.
Yabona.
Wena ngubani mfana? Uzosupport abantu. Caramba, support abantu abasha nesisana. Caramba, uzene support. Unjani? Expectation ndawo yazi ukuthi ngapha sihamba naye supervisor kaKarabo seilana and then yonke into irehe ngiyakuzwana kamnandi woza putha umngasaka hawo zozayi fast siyapayilisa grand sicela ukuthi manje hayi kamarani usiyandane nami ngizela distribution uphuma ku-industry social media yabo ukuthi podcast seli ngokubuza wena fanakho expectini la ku-distribution
True.
usho kanje nalabo bakakarabo basho kanjani
Usilande crown, usilande check,
yeah umnandi
zimhlophe.
yiyo nje into expective
Usilande crown.
uye vele amahle
Yes.
ucela uzume lapho producer ngibonga uhle kanjani ma uthi ngenza kanjani kutelene ukarabo
Botelo amahla.
Botelo amahla. Wenza kanjani? Lapha ngicela uthi in the street shoppers go shop.
In the street shoppers go shop.
Shaka khot man. Hayi, ngingazi sengita sisi. Phela nasengitshele uMkamsikhosa njalo. Yeah, mama upelile angawina kwesini.
Oh yeah.
Hayi ngiyakesini.
Against wena?
Yeah. Why? Angangihlangani.
How he answers questions, how
Yeah.
he works, the confidence.
Oh, nathi nayo.
No, you do have a confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about you, but I don't know.
Oh, akitawona nje kujedi suku go better car to tawona yeah. And I think like this is the first time I'm out or so we should talk to mama mama kitchen. Yeah. My expectation kule distribution 2024. Ngoba think are different.
Yeah, I know this one is different from the last one that I told you.
Yeah.
So, what I'm expecting this year is, I don't know.
Yeah.
Anything can happen. Anything is possible. They can bring something new, different.
Yeah.
That's piece of distribution.
Manje mayingawina ne from la to Muting why?
I don't know what to say now.
Mkan.
No, he's still a teen.
Oh,
You have to take it easy.
Angkatala le photo.
Yeah. Mara, come is somewhere and to get more inspired. Yeah, to go to South African what they show and stuff.
Yeah. Wa mo support ini ai.
Mental.
Punya lain.
Yo,
Tengok asal, uji apa kamera ni super besok in the system takui.
what?
Okay, that's all. In the street, in takui. Yeah, it's fine. I understand like the accent. In the street, in takui. Yeah, totally sure.
On the street, them got training.
Super besok.
Hey,
Super kasih.
what's the come got I
In the street got
just want to look at
today. In the
translate.
street got today.
On the street for today.
Show tadi.
issues.
Futhi ugogo lana gogo. Kokubuza nizosupporta bani gogo?
Mina ngisaphethe amahle.
Gogo.
Amahle. Lo mntwana lo ufakwe yimi la.
Imali yakho le.
Hayi ngikubuya ngathi uyazini ngathi mamela. If awuyithathi lento yami ngena ku modeling lento eyakho.
Gogo.
Akazange aye le nale wangena. Ngathi asiphume manje siye ngaphandle ngibone ukuthi umuva kanjani.
Gogo.
Ngathi uyangena. Enye into sikhipha abantwana ey'tradeni. Ey'tradeni mani. Abantwana bazi ukuthi bayenzeni during the bayenza into manje ngithi don't waste your time. Unayo italent ngena la ku-modeling.
Gogo uzowina isonele nibaningi gogo. Malume uyangibaleka oza malume la. Malume uyangibaleka.
Amahle ngimtshelile ngathi uqhubeke uye phambili. Nawe ukhuthaze abanye baphume esitrateni.
Ayikho into ubeke kahle. Ake ngubani malume? Then Daniel. Ka baru praten. Ukhupha uza lo praten. Ngithile so supporta amahle.
Gogo amahle.
Nuko.
Mina ngugogo amahle.
So ngikubuza like ama expectations, is it like your first time uzobukela like i-pageant?
No.
It's every time.
Every pageant day lo Ramatlo
So you have to
I'm the support and the Greek supporter, the number 1 supporter.
Number 1 support. No, number 1 support. What do number 2 support?
Number 2. I'm at least my support. Okay. So, I want to idea Lena wa rokotha ba tlo bona family so it's because of Rena, it's because of Yena Lena wa rokotha go ntse ile ya ngwana every now and then zamele funya na tsone le pageant and over win. So even today I'm wishing to expect something from her. Of course the messages from her whatever the message a lot of so no dia igual come go dia ga continue.
Rale wataba ke batire kutla koma tsene and then tsena mo tsena dileng. Mara people ba no kopa mo mo camereng uri in the streets emphakweni na kitse uri tla ka betha ka speed uri in the streets emphakweni
in the streets emphakweni
show has the show
for show
sa ke iri challate Going to protest live. Ramaki Bapes are going to report. It's nothing to see. But the shop has been a company no think of the Mananga. Only because I take it and the shop is the show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at media of Facebook. Angaga hand, Itaselana, Itazosala, the content of Facebook to Selayo, Bakona Bagama, Soma Bagama, Matabakono, Bagara, Basila, the separators and tail and I'm a fresh fish from France. Asibile azela azomotela so ngaindawo hlale lapho lapha thini tu subscribe ku YouTube ulike ku YouTube ucomment yabona lento akaka hambi ile system kakweni asibe siya. Voting 2024 broadcast live. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe at Expert Media in the street. Emphakweni abasaziyo bathi mokwenza istrata yilawo ke bheka mangivele zona bathi khaphu ebanya khaphulela ukusiya in the street emphakweni so pheze kwenye Voting 2024 phakathi nesite. Sisakho project live iphethe iphelo devotion yaka 2023 impompo ambassador bafethu nazi ingane esikhuluma ngazo yabona ingane zakuma IP mama Khambani.
Hayi
guys, my name is Mokele Terry and I'm from Limpopo.
Mara wafuna interview ngezinto othumela Limpopo. Wena.
No, it's just that I'm Zulu. I don't know.
Ufunani Limpopo? Ushisa ilanga le.
Yeah,
Sesibantu kufanana nomama.
Limpopo kunemali. Apparently.
Oh, that guy is.
Ah, wow. No, ngihlala Limpopo. Ngiyadlala ekhaya Limpopo
Respect. Mama uyangeka ngizizulu into lesazwayo. So yeah, even I come. Yeah. Starting with what?
No, I started the time I was doing my first year, 2021. Yeah.
How many of them are
26. Okay, that's nice.
Manje wena njengobuye embasadi wenze kanjani advert umuntu laphakathi ufana nawe
kunamatips amaningi mara as long as ngaba ne-dedication ngaba perseverance because vele it's not that easy. Yeah, bese waba nento leyo ukuthi vele I can do this. You need to believe in yourself in the job. And also, yeah. Our wife is here. No, the other one is not beauty. The other one is that. Not even a TJ. Yeah, it's on a TJ.
the moment now it is
you just have to be a hard worker.
So take hard worker, perseverance, man.
Yeah, it's a yeah.
Okay.
There's names. I think it's clean again.
Tomorrow when go with you now, we support and
yeah.
Support.
This is this observation housing. So we can see and support. Yes. That's because in really go for color doesn't mean the parent has to attend that event.
So today, Obama.
Yeah, kita kabuma, Remo. Okay, you guys can follow us on Instagram, official face of devotion, RSA. Yebo, na Facebook kama lanjalo. Ciao, hashtag face of devotion. Man, can follow? You can find me on Instagram by 30 December 20.
Boom! It's a boy king that welcome to another exciting episode of Banana Couple Seeking Phones in Karami. It's going crazy, it's going to be nice. Devotion 2024 in the system of Protestant and a couple of people to Mama Sunjan. I'll say, it's really intro. And I better. Just to go. Isituko hayi mntanami phela isabantu ojile samafaka bese gaming yabona accent uyithathela in the street exclusive social media yabo kodwa right ngishayile ne ayi manje yabaleka yathi ayidona
manje wayizothi accent yakho ukuthi couple switching phones
santu
no angithi
yeah ngiyazana asemuthi mama
thank you
uhlala kuphi
Good.
Are you a model?
Yeah, I'm a model. I'm a title holder.
Okay. Easy.
Naya,
show me. Ayifake yazi isho ukuthi umama ngizofuna ifoni ayi ngeke ithi phambili mama ngiyembe performance sinabantu bakwazi usama gentleman yabona sinomadeva thinayo okay mama bheka ngicela uzintroduce kahle wena ne bese devotion i-1030 what princess yengisela kulo.
Okay, hello guys, I'm Princess Adile Sithole, aka Maka Royal. I'm from Eastern Cape representing Face of Devotion Eastern Cape 2022 First Princess, and I'm here as a VIP.
Woo! ngihlala nawe-ke la ngifuna bese ba-VIP.
Nyawe ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awufuna ukuhlala no-King omncane.
Hayi, sizohlala.
Yeah.
Ngiyi-credit since ngumZulu otherwise.
Ufanele uzwe isikhona sethina manje. Yabona nawe.
Sengizomile kaZulu.
Phela noma sithena uyayazi ukuthi la kwenziwa kanjani.
Yeah.
But for umntwana, kwingane yakithi,
Yeah.
ingane asiphile ne.
Yeah.
Okasikumani thina yithi bamixile kunawo amakhalana.
Yeah.
So asiphile wakithi okasikumani ufuna ukujoyina.
Yeah.
Wenza kanjani ukuthi azangene la
Remote.
ku distribution
Okay, kuze angene ku-Face of Devotion kufuneka acontact Oscar nabanye asebenza nabo ne. You-modern agent whereby you get to learn how to sell tickets, to meet sisterhood and create friendship yabo, and ifundisa ne-business entrepreneur whereby you sell tickets, you get to meet people you see and travel the world. Face of Devotion is a place to be otherwise.
Yeah. So, okay, we are joining, we are motivated. And then maybe confidence akanayo ingane yithi ngiyihlalele endlini.
Ubi right place to
Right
learn.
place.
Yeah, confidence is built here.
So kahle kahle kudingakalani ukuthi ube model. Izinto maybe eziyi-5.
Okay, your 2 professional pictures,
Yeah.
your age.
Yeah.
Okay, body, any body.
Oh,
Yabo,
okay,
asithathi
okay.
isidudla, asithathi
Yeah,
isidudla,
yeah, ngoba abanye
yabo.
bathi ukuthi it's only tall and
No. Then in a province la ukhona, because province is of locator ukuthi okay, if it's Eastern Cape sikhangelela Eastern Cape, if it's Gauteng sikhangelela Gauteng yabo. Then ke ngoku kufuneka kube yintombazana but akhona nje
Yeah, mobile ne. Machite. Yesindishe.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Nathatha ini mina ngibhekile. Basala, prince, angathini.
Prince.
Hayi, namfuna umbasana, namfuna ukuthi. Oh.
You must work hard for the title.
Yeah.
Ungacheeki i-pageant director, ucheeki always have i-respect, you submit on time, mabekubiza you there, yabo, awuphoxa nabanye abantwana. Yabo, sifuna umuntu onothando.
Umuntu onothando ne. Mama sicela nje bathe ukuthi lapha ama-titles akho wena utholakala kuphi?
Okay, ngitholakala ku-Facebook, it's Princess Atlas Tole. On Instagram, it's Princess Tole. Then on WhatsApp, 0784094632.
Hayi uzonikeza mina la bathi ushayisisi lapho bakubone FFA. Fasiyani kanje. Ngiyangibambela ibhesi. Soze ngibambele ibhasa mina wenza ungamekazi sikubambele ibhesi.
Ndithi ngifuna wakhe out.
No nje sisi mina. No.
Okay.
Ikinje udede nje uyishaye wedwa. Yebo. Hayi lapho. Ngene around. Yabo. Yabona wayiwinile. Yabona. Idefisa kakari protest live Devotion 2024 Ramkiki mapeta saka hambi satela seta kusisamata uyiseka ngubani Princess akamse kodwa awuthathile singasathumela ke yabona inkomo phela thina madimo omkhulu kodwa sikaka hamba sithi double sasela protest live angihambi producer lami nje protest live lento ungayi-drop next week drop manje live just short ukuthi bani usuka phela uzengani.
So hi guys, my name is Victor Kaga. I am from the Eastern Cape. I am the Eastern Cape State of Devotion Ambassador. And I got here today actually with my 2024 finalists. I am the ambassador for 2023. And yeah, I'm just up on the bus, guys.
So found something. Thina mayichupa sinemali. Thina mayichupa sayithatha futhi. Thina le content le thina sibhadali.
Yeah, guys.
What's join?
Forget. Yes, I do have a YouTube channel there, but it's just that I haven't posted it. So I want to start posting and then stay consistent. Yeah.
Sama number.
Yeah. Sure.
Please.
Yeah. Because I need help with some stuff.
What do you expect?
What I expect a lot. I expect a lot of work. I expect just magic on the stage,
yeah.
I expect a lot of nice openings from them because they're always outside. They get openings I have to say that national last year they did really good. So yeah man, I expect that, and yeah, I expect to see the winners as well.
yeah, of course it is.
Yeah.
So from when? From Devotion ambassador. Okay,
So currently, I'm a semi-finalist in Miss Teen Universe South Africa, and I do have my search here, but I'm gonna keep changing and then changing them. I don't wanna, because I'm here with Face of Devotion, I'm here as an ambassador, and I don't wanna do too much for Offlena, but I will take pictures. So it's about the pictures, So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I'm like very confident in myself. I'm working hard in it, and I'm very sure that I'll be at the top one day. Yeah.
But kan kada dapat kamera in the street devotion 2024. In the street devotion 2024.
In the street devotion 2024.
Mfethe lo shayisa isifetha konke.
Yo, 360.
Bakuthi uwine kanjani? Uwinele. Wena uwinele. Ngithi ngisho kanjani? Usiboy ubabonise mfethu. Yabona mina futhi mina ngiyasuka la. Ufuna nje usala uyi-1. Bakubona uyi-1, you need to shine. Uyi-1. Hey, come on. Damn it. Hey, Prophet. Description content project lah. Maka pada nama tim kotor aku pun jumalang aku cincong. Tapi sudah saya kete dalam sektor besar. Nggak pernah dapat tinu kata sing kamu wazang sasela nanggaga hambi. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Pega, nila pa tim subscribe pa. Dili look like, dili look comment. Comment ni bad lagi ni kau tu sisa boleh kan je. Dapat Facebook kuma sisa nak kuma Instagram. Bye.
So on Instagram, I am Lilita Kaga, and I am Lilita Kaga FOG. Facebook as well, Lilita Kaga or Lilita Kaga FOG. Instagram is Lilita.Kaga. Small letters, under. Yeah. So yeah, guys, get me on there.
sithi kwakweli broadcast live devotion 2024 bafethu topa the name of King. Ebhela wena sisamunjani? Awusemuhle.
Thank you.
Moshi camera yami yazi. Moshi ngeyithombe ezinhle kanje. Udilisa phone gathi.
Why two?
And the other one be on Karane. No, you are very
All of them.
Yes.
Awusinka phathi. Mama asemuhle.
And some sadness.
Mabo. It's called Panta in English. Guys, Panta is
You are not fair. You are not fair.
Yes, is. I think yes, is. Kodwa sikhona lapho nkabangani ngeface of devotion 2024 kunjani lani khona eRoad Report.
The best. Like,
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here.
I can see you look flabbergasted, guys. You say this vibe as what kind of thing it means like speaking. Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here. Yo, nothing I did like one good to see
Anyway.
the best.
Pageantry.
We post up on YouTube. We post up on
Islamo.
Yeah.
Bonani. We live in the lavish life.
Yeah.
The
Which life
lavish
is this one?
The lavish.
Yeah.
The one that people can afford.
Hey.
That's what we give.
Yeah.
Model.
So when I introduce is the face face of yeah. Well, when I do face of what pay for some what?
I mean, I'm the face of the world, actually. About the world will never disappoint.
Yeah.
But sometimes will disappoint.
Yeah. Is it face of devotion final 2024?
Yeah, I'm face of devotion finalist for Mpumalanga, not Gauteng.
Yeah.
Mpumalanga, I'm representing Mpumalanga because Mr. Delapans and we are coming. We will show you what we
Eastern
have.
Cape Fiji.
Eh?
Eastern Cape Fiji. Yes, on.
No, so the government
Nakancane.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Eh.
Yeah.
Wena uthini ukukhuluma na Mpumalanga?
Mpumalanga!
Hey,
From Shabalala, from the place of rising sun, representing
Ay.
Mpumalanga, one of the best.
Hey.
Best.
Are you ready? I say my ready already. Uthathathi.
I think so that.
Hey, I say ready. Sanibona ni ukhozi ngempela. Buya ungahamba manje sikaqedi. Eh.
Yaniphumelela mkhulu.
Yo, so ngikubuza le guys like nesipetheni la because la seGauteng nanani like expectation yintoni expectira kahle.
Ngiyexpectile. Okay. Ngiyexpecte ukubona ngamafinalist akhe. Ida uwinile.
Yeah, ila kunakhiwa futhi akunalezi izinto.
Long and angene stage wayijabulisa. Remember this is a game, not a competition. If you're in this is a competition, you go home crying.
Then you also come.
What expectation ma'am?
I'm expecting more experience, especially to artists with Mpumalanga. I also want to learn. So that's why we want to be fine and enjoy. I with my I'm expecting a lot of learning from each of them. Something. Yeah? No, alcohol, no.
Listen.
Big wrong!
Very interesting as it is there. Very interesting. Lakini hambe. Ukuna ngesen TV show. Element tilana. Ala mabom la ngasho. Ngathi ku YouTube yami ngizovela ngenkani. Yeah, let's go. Usho kanje. Akho likolana. Baka kyang. Mali nufikisa kia there.
Assembly of Excellent Singers back in the beginning. It's happening, we are about to have some fun. Light here.
Elective devotion 2024. Ngifethu sisomuhle la losisancane la guys. Ngoba msokuna ndawo ngisekhaya yabo. Ngiyawasho. Yokinda la ngikhona mafile ngibheke ukhona. Yazi indawo ngingafodi noma yokushadisa. Phela mina khona ngiyashesha.
It's a go boy to watch boy to peel from Instagram and you know the real thing. Shout out guys.
Besides
Mengani, guys, you know me. It's okay, it's just that I've been chill. Top. The models are really, you know, they're teaching me a lot. Plus, you know, I'm about to enter this new patient of mine. I'm also a finalist there corner, so they're doing their own deals, guys. And also, please, if you're really looking forward to enter any pageant, just click on the, just go to IG, text me, it's Boitumpile, ask me about anything related to pageants, and it is a plug again.
Yeah. Excuse me, guys.
And Pega, for what as it can
effort. Yes, okay. Calling That's effort. Many as well.
Because I'm moving.
Like it.
Effort is corner. Kuluma Nagubasta Nagu.
Yena nje
Okay, cool. Kubanchayela sebashapa di crown karani.
Yeah. Now it's in fire food. But I'm not trying of more than so influence.
Oh, I feel
guys, not in
and if you're also looking forward, okay, a lot of people ask me, how did you become an influencer? I don't buy followers, that's number one on the list. I get my own likes, I get my own followers, and it's only J. Guys, I don't post a lot. Most of you know that I don't always post a lot, but it becomes good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
manje khokwe ukhona umuntu omuhle kabi uyambona nawe kazi store mara still 1k followers for 20 years yonke cabanga ngiyadlala guys
ubuzibana ucabanga ubani zo
singakhulisa nyani phela ngithi kunamapromo ngakupromota nyani 500 nyani
yeah yenzo sikhuluma sika yeah so mfethu manje mobile bani uzohamba bathi lapha nabisa wasileyo say kuzobani king king na king
I wasn't really looking at that page and I know the faces but I don't know the number. But anyone guys yes, you could say it's like Amani Hazard the one that's like performing very well here. He wasn't performing well Amani Hazard and now manje we exam push out manje keep her low so you can't determine law because ukhakahle nomubhekile uzowina nephaka lele ongalibheka ngolithi alikho ngawina lona ulihlale wena ngesuit yakhe expensive ephuma
hayi sisakhiwe bese yabona ngicela uthi 2024 face of devotion yabo in the streets shoppers go show.
Hi guys, it's a girl Boitumpile and we here 2024 Face of Devotion. 2024 Face of Devotion.
Emkaqweni.
Top has going to catch you in the next video. Emkaqweni.
Show, let's get show.
Ready for me, they say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. You only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I swear it takes money to make money, oh my nigga. I guess they weren't ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. We only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I swear it takes money to make money, oh my nigga. I guess they weren't ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. We only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I swear it takes money to make money, oh my nigga.
Desire will make you retire. I just pull up on my shit, it's too fire. Lately I've been doing this shit, got my heart on the speech. So I've been giving them priors. Niggas be hating, we gotta go get it. If you still asking, say for now my cake. Bathi bazama badlala my games. Shit is too crazy, I ain't feeling the same. I'm out of my cage. They're
ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. You only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I say it takes money to make money, oh my nigga. I guess they ain't ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. We only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I say it takes money to make money, oh my nigga.
Let's talk outside. I ain't got time, gotta chase check. Young nigga like what's a catching. Pets abantwana bashisa, pets abolova baphila. Stuck on my negative, yeah. I'm on a spiritual quest. Fuck with them haters, they know we the best. Chasing them mula, can't stop till you right. Niggas act tough when I pull up through the bullshit. All I want is blue stacks, all I want is good vibes. Yeah, the time is near, better keep pushing. The time is near, better keep stacking. Yeah, this shit is forever. This shit is forever. This shit is forever.
I guess they weren't ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. We only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I say it takes money to make money, oh my nigga. I guess they weren't ready for me. They say I should dumb me down. I know that fame ain't for me. Still gonna see me shine. We only want money, give me money, oh my nigga. I say it takes money to make money, oh my nigga.
Shawea yakuzuga yela nganyimpilo yeya sokutuga yeya dalangu shawea yakuzuga yela nganyimpilo yeya sokutuga yeya.
I be moving like I got it, but I needed cash, yeah.
Where fuck is late now?
Told the bitch she got me leaving, shit about to pay, yeah.
Dalangu
shawea yakuzuga yeya nganyimpilo yeya sokutuga yeya. Dalangu shawea yakuzuga yeya nganyimpilo yeya sokutuga yeya.
Your first love broke you, but I'm still here. Cheating caused big fight, but we still here. Bitch, I'm still here. We still here. Niggas act tough, but we still here. Your first love broke you, but I'm still here. Cheating caused big fight, but we still here. Bitch, I'm still here. We still here. Niggas act tough, but we still here. We used to shoot dice, die gas. Figures low, just darker chucks fast. She told the nigga better stay loyal. She won't leave, but I did though. She never doubted myself. She always big on lies, she always big on fights. Big boys on top, shot the whole thing. Not the type to leak nudes. Bega na manje, I never switched, just followed my pet. We F daylight, always stood right. No, this might be goodbye. Still here, we still here. Niggas act tough, but we still here. Bitch, I'm still here. We still here. Niggas act tough, but we still here. Your first love broke you, but I'm still here. Cheating caused big fight, but we still here. Bitch, I'm still here. We still here. Niggas act tough, but we
Yemalavu kitebane, izolo kuhamba namakadari. Yemalavu kitebane, namhlanje uphethe amaspinare. Yemalavu kitebane, orihashel petshelwa yo. Ikusasa uwe, don't make it my fault in days, babe. Uwe, don't make it my fault in days, babe. Yemalavu kitebane.
Mani ngapha ngicina isikorokoro phejwa bonke utshwala uyaziphuma nangenombolo sibuya amabulala all change what you know about phila impilo negebengu what you know about call me Rupa la nyokulinda uzubuye dog real OG running the cool dog mama ufuna ukubona bezukule ekhaya bathi isikorokoro I made plan for us but you sabotage so if future with us but you turn it up from a boy to a man so no back it up back to back status she be throwing shade funny enough he made a gems on ice dog tryna turn a story to a housewife aina masondo lento wenze njani tshela umalume inkinga zami and let it flow 6 nyana yokubhodlisa wena pull through
Yemalavu kitebane izolo kuhamba namakatari Yemalavu kitebane namhlanje uphethe amaspinare Yemalavu kitebane oriyashe kitshela yo ikusasa uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big Yemalavu kitebane izolo kuhamba namakatari Yemalavu kitebane namhlanje uphethe amaspinare Yemalavu kitebane oriyashe kitshela yo ikusasa uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big
What's in it to so tinglandele buju baby girl please be my put you I do me na let doctor ukapha ngengutu ngizibonela ibunju nabo sibonela iphanti fucking pull up umakas ungenza ikhuru sinengi lifetime sizesifaka umkhukhu ukhiphe notswayi sweet ungenza umuntu hile couple strong mhlambe sifaka umuntu all money gone ungenza isiphukuphuku ulala amaluntu hamba unika impuphu vele yasezola sweet isikorokoro hamba ubabona vele ngizokulinda uzubuye
Yemalavu kitebane izolo kuhamba namakatari Yemalavu kitebane namhlanje uphethe amaspinare Yemalavu kitebane oriyashe kitshela yo ikusasa uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big Yemalavu kitebane izolo kuhamba namakatari Yemalavu kitebane namhlanje uphethe amaspinare Yemalavu kitebane oriyashe kitshela yo ikusasa uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big uwe don't make it my fault things I lose big
What can I do to this niggas? My nigga just pull up the switch. Had to pull up in the stool late just to bring in the steez. You niggas are weak, they smoking the weed. This shit is too real for y'all. Kalwana Lanjinda, you fuck with my niggas, you getting my fees for sure. What can I do to this niggas? My nigga just pull up the switch. Had to pull up in the stool late just to bring in the steez. You niggas are weak, they smoking the weed. This shit is too real for y'all. Kalwana Lanjinda, you fuck with my niggas, you getting my fees for sure.
This shit is too late, we did it, we kill it, we totally greedy. Turn up the hood, now we facing the city, we spoil out, we hit it. We spread out the cash, party when spreading this shit is forever. It's all up by G's and break up the cheese and get it, we reach it. We top of the movement, we cap in the city, with 6 in the cities. Just get up and get it, no limit, the shit is just niggas are hitting. The shit is too weird for y'all, but get it, we hitting it on. You're hating that shit is too dope, but fuck it, we hitting it on.
What can I do to this niggas? My nigga just pull up the switch. Had to pull up in the stool late just to bring in the steez. You niggas are weak, they smoking the weed. This shit is too real for y'all. Kalwana Lanjinda, you fuck with my niggas, you getting my fees for sure. What can I do to this niggas? My nigga just pull up the switch. Had to pull up in the stool late just to bring in the steez. You niggas are weak, they smoking the weed, this shit is too real for y'all. Kalwana Lanjinda, you fuck with my niggas, you get in my feast for sure.
This, you just fuck with my style. Big, sense of the mind. No fake smile, no fake clothes, no fake pose. She a pillar of strength, no big deal, she my big fan. She just flooding my comment. East, west, north, south, downhill. We just rapping the hood, we keeping it simple, the hate is too loud. A statement so controversial. Fucking with friends that beneficial. Showing love while smoking that loud. Asking for money, she sucking you dry. Act like you carried you swimming on tears. Fashion, religion, a prayer to God.
Man, I stay with her. You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her. Man, I stay with her. You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get weighted. If you know my way, I'll still get weighted.
To my niggas, they know where we at. To the top, you can never disclose. Spala le mali, sa chupa le paris, sa kavana manje, sa shugumes. My niggas, they talking, they praying, they kicking, they know that the nigga be chasing cash. It's spala le mal, heading on your low. Niggas taking notes, can F with my niggas, they know where we at. Praise for my enemies. I know that the nigga be in some things, can never change if that paper involved. With my day one, we stick to the plan. Big dog, she know the kiss and tell. Big fish, man, I fuck with the cash. Big dog, man, you smoke then we out. Poof.
You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her. Man, I stay with her. You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her.
Yeah, let me go straight to the key. Yo, just headed to it. Runs in my ass, got no bitches for me spine. Still got to praise for this bitch for my cousin. No just wait till we having the money. God now win, it's a life for the party. Yeah, let me go straight to the key. Don't just hate it till we win. Top it to the ground to the cheese. Rolling with the ground till we got it. You can never win cause we're hating. Putting up the blues cause we get it. Got it.
You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her. Man, I stay with her. You can never know when to move with them haters. How the fuck you gon' hate now? We be on the shit for a door with my day ones. Till I'm on my way up. Cause stay with her, the fuck you gon' hate now? Still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her. If you know my way, I'll still get with her.
Masuwe my nigga. Bafule lizinya kule game. Look how we come in again. So tired I'm almost kule game. Like Tava we give in the game. Basha ngomzimba kanje. Size ngobuso kule game. The movement too crazy, they hating. Look how we come in the game. Bafule lizinya kule game. Zinja ngomona sesibalabala. Yakava pastili sinkalakatha. Bavulela isitoko yiphalaphala. Yabona nakhona ubusaphalala. Bashanga umzimba ukushashaya. Songena kule game usesibalabala. Maphutha sebala sesibala intaba. Umbona omningi bethelelana. Pastili songena sesibalabala. Maphutha sebala sesibala intaba. Umbona omningi bethelelana. Masuwe my nigga. bavulela izinya kule game, yeah. Look how we come in again. So tired ngomusa kule game. Like Tava we giving the game. Bashaya ngomzimba kanje. Size ngobuso kule game. The movement too crazy, they hating. Look how we come in the game. Bavulela izinja kule game, yeah.
Ngekama le pari ya khaba khaba magena le tsotsi zabalaba mele busy CPF terrorize cast it says immense women abapha Tom Brady man I fuck with the bucks 2 cups man I look like I'm drugs Pepulo Brown shit is so tasty can't fuck with my ex she know that I'm good killer my beat stick to a code never go back we just came back as to the end but uskura nonkanyi senza masimba le tsotsi zabuke kansoba avele ngihlale ngidai number play shit mele verify so try we gang we can't fumble the bag
Shayestume ngazo hamba ubuza umphatho sifuna nale mali umlando kule kasumlahlo nezinja zami Shayestume ngazo hamba ubuza umphatho sifuna nale mali umlando kulika somlahlo nezinja zami mina nezinja zami phila impilo yekebe nguhamba ubuze kazi yasakhali vele thina shaye sidume ngazo asancengi hamba ubuze umphatho sifuna nale mali umlando notothi kulika somlahlo nezinja zami phila nale mpilo nezinja zami bathi mina nezinja zami phila impilo yekebe nguhamba ubuze kazi yasakhali vele thina shaye
angizwa ngapha sanibonani ninjani hayi nami ngiyaphila ngijabule kakhulu ngegama uNhlanhla kwaMabasa I am the project manager of Facebook Devotion ngihamba nomfowami Milana Ogeji. I just want to thank everyone who's been trying to support the kids. If it was not for you guys, these kids wouldn't be so confident and trying to be on stage. It is because of your support that kids like this end up being people like these ones here. Business owners. Yeah. Future leaders. All because of the support. So, especially to the parents, I know it's not easy. I know. It's very difficult.
The entire phase of devotion that's where we started, 2019. I was the first ever Mr. Overall Office of Devotion 2019.
Devotion, let's sing Menwe. Integrated easy from brother to bring, never gets tired. Works hard, creative, innovative. Always making sure, like Mad Bang, making things happen. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about none other than Mr. Oscar Mabuza. A round of applause!
Thank you. Seyishayele ngezandla. Right. Thank you also to our beautiful judges, ne? Although you were late, okay, some of you. But thank you so much, guys. Yes. So guys, today is one special day. Yeah. And I'm having a birthday among us. Yeah. So ngicabanga silale ramkiki noma siyahamba. plan. Yeah. But anyways, bazali bami, ngifuna ukubonga abantu lana abakhona. Ngiyazi ukuthi every time bengena stage, kunokuthi ngqonywe kuthiwe how wenza into enhle. But truly speaking, today, just because it's my birthday, I would like to share a very short story. I started this brand, guys, it was 2018. When we started, we actually had some models that won, yeah. And then I always say that in 2019, it was my year of blessing. Because in 2019, I met models that participated in our pageant, but those models, they ended up being my pillar of strength. And to carry this movement to where it is today, it's because of their support. I see you see a lot of sessions here, and I can happily tell you that all these sessions is one family, all of them. Whether you're black, orange, and these other ones, we are quite a big family. So I remember when the world was against me, I believe this topic would make sense to parents because I know Nina ni Abazali, you see that every day. Naturally, we've seen that. That gentleman over there, Reginald, is more of a brother to me than just being a model. Was once a candidate of Face of Devotion in 2019, but is the very same guy, Owang Mama to not give up. And then there is one, the other one that I love so much, he's not here, he's very naughty, the short one, where is he from? Yeah, I think he was here on stage talking about me, I heard him talking. Yeah, that one is very naughty, but he's a good brother. And my graphic designer over there, Mr. Bruce, that's the guy that actually does wrong designs. It's that man over there. Yeah, every time when you have to print my stuff and it's incorrect size, it's him. But I love it because we family. We made some Amash some of our models. I see there are a lot of models. Gomorrah.
I'm ready to present an MC. Thank you guys. Let it play.
Hello, ini season dari proses saya para nama kita kena kuning tu sebarang orang kita jam sama saya betul. Saya sama kita kena ni. Nara ke tension ko. Kejina. Agang do namkan yang kita zaman ini kasih. Ini saya ini saya ikut. Alam saya yang kita ini ikut. Aku tu bilang ko perlu tu cina wae. Angkat. Mara. Tempat. Tempat. Palsu. Tempat ni lena. Kita jumpa. Orang kata ini. Naik. That's it. 대부분 소부다. 그것은 인생 강화라는 인생을 강화라 있다라고 내가고 사람이 아주 사람이 공부한 게 있으면 이거 무슨 나가고 사람이 공부 아이고 공부를 해야 뭐라고 뜻이 una 84 ne a cikin wani saran ka How's the experience? What do you think? Yeah. And then instead of behind the scenes, you see how difficult it is to put out a show like this.
This is not my work. It's all our work. Effort for all the teams. We play to work. Without you, we are not able to send a message to everyone out there that this friend is good, right? Without him, we are not able to brand ourselves. But we all came through and said we want to support you. We want to make their lives better. And it's all good.
Yo, guys, keep shooting me. Guys, hang up on nine. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm waiting to see the pudding. Why, put your sky. That's like that. I was working in a company in a called company. There's a guy always a soap. It was very short, smoke, and a normal t-shirt, not branded. That time I'm going to smile. Nan, go back in. That camera for my chin. Actually, you're going to be professional. It's not going to be taken right. You are higher. That's why. I think you go to when come then I know to get that. I'm going to pay with you. They will please I think that humanity have the way so Yamas who's even I'm time. So Yamas even the full matter of party to respect now. I get from Tara, look at the product. You know that it's me. You can put it for the time. You can't Yamas now. Imagine other things. I'm people who have no six playing a key by Africa, because I want to come and take experience of the morning to the Masena signal into it. But then you can talk to me. It was a few minutes. Yeah. Mara, it was coming from Canada, is like a car and you have to show the CDC. Nakabura and I'm telling you in the States. And I tell you sometimes in the middle of the Panama. Yeah, first, I think so much bring that to
well, much with your company.
I'm going to
yeah, so basically, the whole idea one thing that I want to realize people are creating or they're damaged in their team. So that's why you get to get the right person, the wrong person. If you miss them, that so when you can see the first thing that you do this thing is giving them something to do and something that will keep them busy. And then along the way, they are able to find themselves. And then they are going from there, they'll be able to focus exactly on what they want. So this is like a place where they get to find themselves. So that's why I was like, I'll go all in on this. Whether I'm there or I'm not there, you know, you see.
Yeah, you see the figure.
You know,
and it's fine. So these are featuring someone who helped in this. I'm coming from Mochi. I want to be what can next next year? I want to be me. I want to be in the institution. Yeah, but you have someone who is inspiring because of who they get up. So that's then as a situation you get up. Which is what they go into which balandere. Yabo, you don't find out. Like it's excellent. You have to build up your mission. Like maintenance that's excellent. Also, it's very apart. Another where nobody never finds banana. So it's one level and something. And in color 8 guys, Manana Now tell 8 guys, I'm not between a 20 movie. When I'm not coming up over 8.
Okay, I would like to thank everyone that came they always say, right? One can never say no. So it's also a way of us reaching out to more young people about our work. And thank you guys for the sacrifice, thank you guys for the support.
Insta, Facebook, short,
when you see up 9 provinces, so the company official, _okay. And then on Facebook,
On this one, one thing that I will know is once you click on I'll keep it like that. Yeah. But the only thing that I will say is parents should have a different mindset. They shouldn't check it as if it's something that promotes not only that, people they associate it with the wrong side of it. Yeah. So my advice is that checking it or seeing it in a different way. Modeling is not only about looking near, watching them, all the dresses that they are buying, seeing them from the shop, everything. It's modeling. It's a model that wears those outfits so that you can be like, I know, I can fit on that one. So it's very wide. It's very wide. So parents should start seeing that thing as modeling as a different thing. It's actually a job.
Hey, it's fine. Now what you buy?
It's actually a job. So that's what I can say. That parents modeling is not linked to the wrong age. It's not linked.
And the winner for the day, it's Winfrey Wahamato. Hey, Joa, it's a point. And the overall winner for the devotion 2024 was Wabudeli, Bomama, Olele Makaya, Osele Masafena Setaveni, Ukunti, Ukuma, Zaba Rishi, Ezindanga Zazi, Estuwini. Allow me to welcome. It's the devotion 2024, Miss Overall winner. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay, but you can be like a commentator as well.
Ah!
Yeah. You can do it.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, yeah. Never. Why not in
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, did you have fun?
Well, mostly I did. Like I definitely had fun. But like on like the first outfit, the category, I was like nervous. But after my introduction, I was like, hey man, I killed this thing, man, and I still can got the stage. It was like royal music. So I was like, everyone is gonna come looking. Yeah, and yes, and I was like, how about I take my own thing? And I was like, how about I take a hotel, take materials, and then just tell us that music was like,
and then if we take Pastor Obo, the shopping the scene of the church, I don't know what the fish.
Oh, now go to the fish.
Yeah, so basically, no born or Pega me around kuma para tiga yang itu
Yeah. But all in all, like I'm really like grateful for the journey that I had. I had so much fun in the journey, and there's literally nothing I can disparage about the place. It was like good like activity, good experience. Even if it's how you just know for me, I have like experienced a lot for patients, and there's nothing that I can say. But I keep carrying my sense is like work hard, and when you work hard, you so
also living in Japan,
very hard work pays. So if you you feel like somebody else is going to do it, obviously not gonna do it. So somewhere. And I was like, yo, I think I'm gonna fix it. So and I was like, maybe just like I don't know, human rights. Yeah. Not usually taking I think I went to last year. Yeah. When I know I live by the code that says then of course I will feel nothing is this is not ambassador, that's the overall. No one. I knew. My votes were high. Everything I could like literally born. And that's what I have. And that's what makes me confidence
Ako motivation ano ko ay kana sekay elen sama kala askil nito ko motivation pero challenge ni mo kung jadi wa para tigo mai pata le man ko motivate askil na ngeli pe dumega motivation de
okay what I can motivate you is that in patients mostly don't enter because you just want to just enter because you have a fun in the moment. And it's not like because now you are scared. Even if like you find some other people that like just put yourself copy and say this is this one and I'm gonna do myself.
I wanna speak. This is Madam Okay, let's see what we do. If I'm only orange, when I didn't get the from radio, so in the street, devotion, 2024.
In the street, Devotion Hashtag 2024.
Showcase where show.
Kafela.
Idade, kiri chathe kafela kula pili ntata kuri kiji. Yeye thathe bama uphethile. Ephansi noma isawuphuza yithi.
Ay, tamani.
Sathela ngakahambi sikazani. Kuthi salam kontinent la yona mama sifikeni njengaza. Wena thina thikama kontinent. Sikothetha mama. Yeah. Kwakule mbuzi unomuntu othanda umbuzo athi. Uyine yini kakhulu.
Second time.
Kanti yalegayo lithini? Kanti yalegayo lithini? Hey, umutaphuli ko16 mfowethu. Iyathi muhle. Muhle. Uhlala mama sikamubani uhlala wazi kanjani nje?
Oh, ngihlala eSendisa Ivory Park, man. So yeah, now yeah. So it's a observation so Sanel is a host in the state of Rabarich. So yeah, maybe on Instagram. Yeah.
The follow and
so then I followed the devotion page in Abunu Kai, Yakiba Munania, so my mama for me training. So I decided always Nenzeni, you follow Obama always like Nenzeni raise imali. I need to go to that stage no matter what happens.
Yeah.
So I did that. Then now finally I can follow second teacher Lana. So manje sesiyakuma national.
Zakhala ke
manje. Ziyakhala. And national sakumbonga second. Una queen man.
Nansi sikarathi mom karathi yethu support.
Ngiyabonga
Now babonga nakudasi.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much everyone who supported me. I really appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel.
Hayi Hey, manje. Okay, ngoba sekuyaphi ngicela wenze motivate ingane ekhaya lapho dali imota manje afaka kamala asikilo kanonto. Motivate. Like uthathoyini man uyafaka.
Umotive industry. Kumele ube dedicated. So within you like ube passion. Uthole leya nto leya like uma ufila emotive. Just don't be scared or be shy ukuthi abantu bazothini ngawe. People vele bayakhuluma ngaphandle but wena if udedicated ngaleyo ndlela and your passion ngale nto leyenzayo obviously uzongenela emotive. Abantu bazohlezi bakhuluma vele lo uyenzani into enjalo. But tell yourself that you're winning no matter what and tell yourself that you can achieve whatever you work for.
Ngitshela umama kaChantela laba sicela. The reason ngindizela sihle umama so bare umama support abantwana. Sometimes umama besibaza masikhangile phela sekazosivikela ngasabi ukuthi njani. Mara umama kaChantela 27 freedom la.
Ya ngila indaba yomthana wami ngiyajabula kakhulu umthana wami izinto eziyenzayo ezenzabulisa ukuthi makaqala imodel aqala nje ayise mina ngizimile ngiyenze imodeling so ngaqala ukumsupporta ngiyena awenza
Mom, I can hear the accent, I need to Islamic in English, but the accent sounds like you're very no tone.
No, I'm Shona.
You sure? Yeah, mama couldn't Shona, mama Azin. Shona, that's some talking. But the mother isn't about strategy. Yeah, she could be moment Shona. And then I could have from now in Bonabu tonight, that the confidence that he is that already title ya something. Yeah, as in general, we say national Bonabu. Apumelera ne amota ne yeah uthanda ukuphila mafunanga nje manje la
no ngaphambi ukuthi like ngaphambi ukuthenga umama ngalendlela angileyo like I really appreciate her like nalomsebenzi awenza nawo kana too much is very too much abanye abomama they don't support their children but you know my mother she's very supportive and like she's the best mother in the world. I don't want to lie. Like, now my mom is going to phumelela. So yeah, thank you guys.
Hey, yeah, guys, on. Hey yo, in the space of Kapari Protest Live, you better out here, my police and a lady, it's a small piece. I say, Kuli. How's your ranking? Oh, Kuli. So I'm going to ask you for something. Yeah. Yeah, I think he has a good example right now. My daughter, he is playing. Otherwise, they say you find out. I think you really
novela kakhulu kune novela yo
okay hayi taka nacho
inomayini namhlanje ngalakini anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna asikisi-ke ajuice zongixolela makubuhlungu uNkulunkulu uthanda sonke hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi ajuice anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna asikisi-ke ajuice zongixolela makubuhlungu uNkulunkulu uthanda sonke hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi ajuice anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna asikisi-ke ajuice zongixolela makubuhlungu uNkulunkulu uthanda sonke hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi ajuice anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna anginandaba ukuthi umngani wami umuntu wakho bakuthi ayitheme zomhlafuna asikisi-ke ajuice zongixolela makubuhlungu uNkulunkulu uthanda sonke hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi hayi kabi ajuice Come on, man.